Welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel 16 expenses. Go to the instruction file. So assignment title is the Excel 16 expenses. If you want to complete the assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 16G expenses access downloaded with this project. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in the expenses worksheet calculate row total for each expenses item in the range F5 to F9. Calculate the column total of each quarter and for the annual total in the range B10 to F10. In the expenses worksheet, go to the expenses worksheet and copy the range F5 to F9 and insert the calculate the total row expenses in the range F5 to F9. Type is equal to type the sum function. Press enter button and copy the function F5 to F9. And calculate the column total for each quarter and then annual total range is B10 to F10. Copy the range B10 to F10. Paste the range. And be sure the F6 to F10 is the comma style 0 decimal places. Type is equal to type the sum function and select the range B5 to B9. Press enter button and copy the formula F6 to B10 to F10. F10. Be sure the F6 to F9 and formatted the comma style 0 decimal places. Copy the range F6 to F9 and comma style 0 decimal places. Comma style and 0 decimal places. Click OK. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in a cell G5 construct a formula to calculate the percent of total by dividing the annual total salaries and benefits by the annual total for all quarters. Use the absolute cell reference as necessary. Format the result percentile and then center fill the formula down through cell in G9. In a cell G5, select the cell as G5 and percent of total by dividing annual total salaries and benefits. Type is equal to salaries and benefit is the annual total. Click the F5 cell divided by a total by quarter and apply the absolute cell reference. Press F4 button. Press enter. And format the result is the percentile and center. Apply the percentile, go to the home tab, go to the number group, click the percentage and center. Percentage and center, go to the home tab, alignment group, click the center, percentile and then center. Fill the formula down through cell G9. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is Use the 3D pie charts to chart annual total for each atom. Move the chart as a new chart sheet. Name is annual expenses charts. Insert the 3D pie charts is annual total for each item. 3D pie charts annual total for each item. And annual total charts, and insert the 3D pie charts. Go to the insert tab, go to the chart group, click the 3D part 3D pie charts, and move the chart sheets, and then name the chart sheet name is annual expenses chart. Copy the annual expenses chart and right click the mover chart. New chart sheet name is annual expenses chart. Click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is as the text of chart title element, type the summary of annual expenses and then change the font size is 28. Copy the chart title and select the chart title. Paste the chart title is annual summary of annual expenses and then change the font size is 28. Go to the home tab, go to the font size is 28 font size. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is remove the legend from the charts and then add the data label formatted that the only category name percentage display the position in the center. Remove the legend from the charts and the data label is category and category name and percentage. Click the chart element button, remove the legends, and then add the data label formatted so that only category name and percentage. Add a data label, category name and percentage. Category name and percentage and position in the center. Label position in the center and format the data label by applying font style bolded italic and font size is 12. The bolds and italics and font size is 12. So question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is format the data series using the 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel. Under the bottom bevel, the first row, apply the first bevel effect. Set the top bevel with the height is 50 pt and then bottom bevel width and height is 256. Format the data series. And using the 3D format effect. Select the 3D formats using the 3D formats and change the top bevel and bottom bevel. First row, apply the first effect. Top bevel is the first bevel. Change the top bevel and then bottom bevel is the first bevel. First row in the first bevel. Bottom bevel is the first bevel. And top bevel and bottom bevel is the top bevel with this 50 width is 50, type of 50, and height is 50, and bottom bevel is the first bevel and width is 256, height is 256. Press enter. Width and height is 256. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a display the series option and then set the angle of first slice to 125 so that the salaries and benefits slice is the front of the slice. Select the salaries benefit slice, explore the slice is 10%. Display the series option. Format the series option. Select the series option. And then angle of first slice is 125. Angle of the first slice, type the 125, press enter. So the front is the salary and benefits, and salary and benefit is the front of the pie. Select the salary and benefits is the explode the 10%. Select the salary and benefits and explosion is the 10%. Type the 10%, press enter button. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is a format the chart area by applying the gradient fill using the preset gradient. In the first column, apply the second gradient. Format the chart area. Format the chart area and gradient fill using the preset gradient first column, second gradient. Select the gradient fill. Format the gradient fill using the preset gradient first column, second gradient. First column, second gradient. First column and the second gradient. Sorry, first is the second gradient. Yes. Format the border of the chart area, adding solid line border fourth column. Apply the first color. Select the border, solid line, and solid line border chart area, solid line fourth column, first color. Fourth column, first color. Fourth column is the first color and change the width of is 3pt. Width is 3pt. Press enter button. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is a display the page setup dialog box and then for this chart sheet insert the custom footer left section the file name. Display the page layout tab. Go to the page layout tab and then for this chart insert the custom footer left section with the file name. Page setup group, click the header and footer, click the custom footer left section with the file name. Click OK and again OK. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is display the expenses worksheet And then by choosing the quarter name and total by quarter, insert the line with the marker chart in the worksheet. Do not include the annual total, quarter name and total by quarter, and annual, quarter name and total by quarter, quarter name and total by quarter. Insert the line with the marker charts. Do not include the annual total. Go to the insert tab, link the recommended charts and line with the marker chart. Click a line, line with the marker charts. Click OK. And move the, do not include the annual total. Move the chart so that its upper left corner position slightly inside the upper left corner is A12. Move the move the charts, drag the charts is A12 and change the width of 7.5 chart title. Width is 7.5 and the chart title is the recreation department expenses summary, and the chart title is the recreation department expenses summary. So question number 11 is complete.